Hello my dear children, welcome to your e-learning class. This is Mansi Bansal, your computer teacher. So in computers, today we will start with the worksheet 1. Let's get started. So let's start with the filling the blanks. The first question is dash refers to the degree of perfection of operations performed by a computer. Means हम जो कंप्यूटर का परफेक्शन कितना है, कितनी डिग्री तक कंप्यूटर परफेक्ट ऑपरेट कर पा रहा है, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? डेट इज़ नोन एज द एक्यूरेसी ऑफ कंप्यूटर. मीन्स कंप्यूटर कितना एक्यूरेटली हमारा रिजल्ट दे रहा है, मीन्स कितना एक्यूरेटली परफेक्टली अपना ऑपरेशन कर पा रहा है. सो हियर द आंसर इज एक्यूरेसी. Second question is analytical engine was invented in the year dash. As we know, analytical engine was invented in 1833. So here the answer is 1833. The third question is dash is used to create videos, animation, sound, graphics and text with a high degree of interaction. As we know, अगर हमें वीडियोस बनाने हैं, उसमें एनिमेशन, साउंड, ग्राफिक्स, टेस्ट ये सारे इफेक्ट्स लगाने हैं, then we need to use multimedia software. So here the answer is multimedia software. Now the fourth question is dash function key is used to display the slideshow. So if we want to display the slideshow, which function key we can use? We can use F5. So here the answer is F5. And the fifth question is the default tab stops are set at every dash. Means when we press the tab key, then how many points the cursor proceeds? As we know, by default it is 0.5 inch. So here the answer is 0.5 inch. Now let's continue with the true false. The first question is the first generation computers were based on the use of transistors. As we know, the first generation computers were based on the use of vacuum tubes. First generation computers हमारे vacuum tube based computers थे, transistors based नहीं थे. So here this is false. The second question is computers are non-respondent to human factors like fatigue, tiredness or boredom. Is it true? Yes. कंप्यूटर डोंट रेस्पॉन्ड द ह्यूमन फैक्टर्स. कंप्यूटर्स को हमारे जो ह्यूमन फैक्टर्स हैं, हम बोर हो रहे हैं, हमें टायर्डनेस हो रही है, इन चीज़ों से कंप्यूटर पे कोई इफेक्ट नहीं पड़ता. दे डोंट रेस्पॉन्ड दीज थिंग्स. सो दिस इज ट्रू. नाउ द थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर कैन नॉट रन इंडिपेंडेंटली ऑफ द एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर. मीन्स सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर के बिना इंडिपेंडेंटली रन नहीं कर सकते. इज़ इट ट्रू? नो. सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर अपने आप में अकेले रन कर सकते हैं. हमारे कंप्यूटर में लाइक विंडोज सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर है, अगर हम उसमें MS वर्ड जैसा एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर नहीं डालेंगे देन ऑल्सो विंडोज विल वर्क. सो दिस इज फॉल्स. Fourth question is the slide sorter view displays a miniature view of all the slides in a presentation. Is it true? Yes. In slide sorter view, all the slides of the presentation are displayed in a miniature view, in a small view. Okay, so this is true. Fifth question is a language processor translates the machine language into programming language. As we know, the language translator, language processor translate the programming language into machine language and not the machine language into programming language. It is saying opposite. So this is false. Now let's continue with the matching. Here we have two columns, column A and column B. We have to choose the right answer for column A in column B. So the first question in column A is Howard Aiken. So what the Howard Aiken invented? He has invented Mark first. So we will match it with Mark first. Now the second point in column A is PowerPoint file extension. As we know, the default extension of PowerPoint file is .pptx. So here we will match it with .pptx. The third point in column A is antivirus software. So we have to choose an antivirus software. Here in column B you can see Quick Heal is the match it with Quick Heal. The fourth point in column A is process that shrinks file. So when we shrink a file, when we compress a file, जब हम किसी फाइल को छोटा करते हैं, then that process is known as the compression. So we will match it with compression. And the fifth point in column A is music file extension. As we can see in column B, .mp3 is the extension of music file. So we will match it with .mp3. Now let's continue with the MCQs. The first question is dash operating system allows a user to run more than one application program at the same time. मीन्स कौन से ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम यूज़र को अलाउ करते हैं कि वो मोर देन वन एप्लीकेशन प्रोग्राम एक ही टाइम पे बहुत सारे एप्लीकेशन प्रोग्राम को रन कर पाए. सो एज वी नो दोज काइंड ऑफ ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम आर नोन एज द मल्टीटास्किंग ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम, जिसमें हम बहुत सारे प्रोग्राम्स, एक से ज़्यादा प्रोग्राम्स एक टाइम पे रन कर पाते हैं. सो हियर द राइट आंसर इज मल्टीटास्किंग. ओके. Now the question number 2 is a dash displays the slide in the full screen mode. So हम अगर अपनी स्लाइड को फुल स्क्रीन मोड में डिस्प्ले करना चाहते हैं then we have to use the slide show view. So here the right answer is slide show. Now the question number 3 is dash is the collection of programs that are stored and run on the computer hardware and help users to work on the computer. मीन्स ऐसे कलेक्शन ऑफ प्रोग्राम्स जो हमारे कंप्यूटर में स्टोर रहते हैं, कंप्यूटर हार्डवेयर को रन करते हैं एंड यूज़र की हेल्प करते हैं कि वो इजीली अपने कंप्यूटर पे वर्क कर पाए. ऐसे कलेक्शन ऑफ प्रोग्राम्स को हम क्या बोलते हैं? दोज आर नोन एज द सॉफ्टवेयर. सो हियर द राइट आंसर इज सॉफ्टवेयर. नाउ द क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 इज the era of first generation computers was from dash. As we know, the first generation computers were developed between 1942 to 1956. So here the right answer is 1942 to 1956. Okay. So children, chapter is complete today. I hope everything was well understood to you. This much for today. Thank you. Bye bye.